Dr.P.Aruna Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Technology, DRSNSRCAS College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see about transmission impairments. That means while transmitting the information, we have to face lot of impairments. That is, either can be already we discussed about the data can be transmitted either through wired or wireless media. In wired media, there is a packet loss is very less when compared to the wireless media because there may be damages through only through the wires. It can be infected either by the crunches or some digging the ground like that they have to face. So wireless media, due to climate weather condition, there may be a lot of packet loss. Let me see the transmission impairments. The definition: the signal travel through the transmission media which are not perfect. The imperfections causes a signal impairment. Signal impairments means there may be an energy or packet loss while transmitting the information. This means that signal at the beginning of the media is not same at the signal at the end of the media. That is, the sender can send the information, receiver cannot receive the same information what the sender can be sent. So due to some causes, it is called as an impairments. Attenuation, distortion and noise are the three main impairments of transmitting the information. So today we are going to see about what is attenuation, what is distortion, what is noise. First thing is, already I said that there are three different types. In that, first we are going to see about attenuation. It means packet loss, that is a loss of energy can be done by using the weaker signal. If the data sent from the sender to receiver, there may be a weaker signal, that is cannot extract exact signal from the sender to receiver due to some losses overcoming the residence of the media, because we cannot extract exact data due to some imperfection of the signals. So amplifiers are used to recover the lost energy while transmitting the information. Let us see the diagram. First, above the diagram, original, attenuated and amplified diagram. So original messages can be sent from one to another one. That is, a sender can send the information to the receiver. So if there may be a packet loss, means it can be infected at the point 2. That is, a packet can be lost due to some impairments. Okay, so the original message is point 1. It is a sent from the sender. Receiver can receive attenuated information. So to avoid that, they have to use amplifier to receive the signal exactly to the receiver side. Point 1 is original messages. Point 2 is attenuated messages. Again, at last we get in point 3 messages. It is called as an amplifier message along with an amplifier. This shows the calculations of the attenuation. So to loss or gain of energy, we have to calculate the attenuation by using decibels. So decibels means 10 into log 10 P2 by P1. Whereas P2 means it is calculated as an output signal, whereas P1 means it is an input signal. Next thing is in distortion. It means signal change their shape while transmitting from sender to receiver. So it is also called as an composite signals, because if we are sending the information from one to another one, there may be an identification of the different frequency over the component. So frequency component has its own propagation speed traveling through a medium. The different components therefore arrive with a different delay at the receiver, because if we are sending at the different components, but receiver can receive at different component. This is due to distortion. So that means that signal have different phases at receiver than they did at the source. Source can send the information exactly, but receiver may receive the information at different position. This is the example for the distortion. So at the sender side, at the receiver side, sender side, see the diagram, composite signal sent and composite signal received. Normally they send the information correctly. That is, the waves are in correct way. After receiving that in the different phase, so it receives composite. See the right side, composite signal received at the right side. The signal may be varied. This is due to the distortion, that is a variance in the signal. Next, noise. Already we know that noise. Noise means there are different types. First one is thermal, induced, crosstalk and impulse. Thermal noise means random noise of electrons in the wire creates an extra signal. So, addition to the normal signal, the extra signal can be added. Induced means from motors, appliances or some other devices, there is a disturbance from the receiving antennas. That is called as an induced one. Crosstalk means all between two wires. There may be a chances of different data received while sending the information. Impulse noise means spikes that they result from power lines, lightning, etc. Due to that, the noise will be received from the sender to receiver. See the example. First one is called as a large SNR. Second one is called as a smaller one. So first the signal can be passed, the noise can be received, again signal plus noise, it gives in some other value. Again second one, small SNR, signal can be normal, moderate way, noise disturbed, then again it will receive some other received information. So this is due to the noise transmission. Thank you. From this we learned about transmission impairments, 3 impairments we have to face while transmitting the information, and also we can easily recover the data while transmitting the information. Thank you.